This is a overview of the targeted skills group of coordinates of a figure, and the students will be able to construct geometric figures on the coordinate plane. This is a targeted skills group geared towards some of my higher students in math. So to start the week out, I watch a short tutorial from Learn Zillion where the author goes over drawing a shape on the coordinate plane. So to introduce this to the students, I bring them over to the whiteboard and give them their I can statement, which is I can plot geometric figures on the coordinate plane. We go over several examples on our whiteboards, and I provide the students with a coordinate plane so we can kind of look at that as we go over our examples. The students will be practicing with a partner by completing an activity called drawing shapes on the coordinate grid. There's a couple examples for the students. In the first section, they have to determine which letter is at which pairing. On the next one, they have to plot those. And they have to join the points in order to draw that geometric figure and determine which shape they did draw. To practice independently, the students work on this worksheet, which is identifying a geometric shape. So they're given plots or points that they need to plot, and then on the on the top directions, it tells them to connect points A, B, C, and D, and there's two that they have to do. Next day I check in with the students and we go over that coordinate grid and those two shapes that they did. I had students explain any strategies that they use in order to plot those points, and then after plotting, how did they determine what geometric shape it was and how to connect those points. The activity the interactive I found was called Math Pup Flying Saucer. It takes a second to load here. So in this interactive, students can either just work in that first quadrant or they can do all quadrants. But the thing is, there's bones buried in this area, and you have to hover over by using the mouse pad. You have to hover over where that is on the coordinate grid system and press the space bar in order to find the bone. So you have to be real close. So I'm looking for 5, 5, and you have to be right on target, otherwise the bone won't come up. Obviously I'm having a hard time here. There we go. So then it keeps track of the number of bones that you get and the time, and then you can also increase levels. So to end out the series of the week, the students complete an assessment, which is very similar to the independent practice, where again they're plotting two shapes, and they have to label the points and then connect them to find out what geometric figure they have created. And that's an overview of coordinates of a figure on a coordinate plane.